I've got to wire a few things, mount the bottoms, and put on the bimini. Without if I can keep this right there, put the bimini in. All right, and here's the next one. See, there's moss growing, plants growing. So it's gonna be fun. Of course, I dropped my washer down there, so that's awesome. Ah, the parasites. That was a reference to this boat when someone was saying there's parasites in the water when I was stepping in it. Okay, captain's chair. Keep wiggling. There we go. Not heavy, it's awkward. I'm just kidding, it's heavy. Oh. Just wondering. Oh, there we go. Looks like we just got a bunch of screws down there, huh? Should I take this one loose? I'm gonna do it. Oh, I did it. Here we go. Oh, okay. Just hold on. Just gently. Heavy. Just lay it down. Oh, well, that's easy enough. Hello. Scattered. That's a monster right there. Little forestry going on down here. There it is. Stuck to the vinyl. Come on. I gotta cut them. I didn't see this one because the foliage. A follower told me not to cut both wires at the same time because it'd like blow a fuse or something. So I'm gonna do them one at a time. You see, I'm learning something every day. Like that, so I can lift this over this part right here. That's all you gotta do. Scooch this over here. Slowly. should be able to slide this off. And then before it hits or goes out of my hand, it'll hit the ground. Let's hope, or I'm going with it. There we go. Yeah. Huh. Come on. Oh, man. And then go around, pick it up, set it down. Should be good. I think that's where I'm gonna call it today. We did something though. Oh, man. First thing I'll do is this captain's chair. You know how I love a good captain's chair. So the customer asked me if I would patch a few places on their cover for the boat I just did. Kind of lay this as flat as you can, like that. 16 by 9. Glue. Place this right here. Just a little patch. That's it. Last time looking at this boat. Just double check everything. Make sure it all looks good. Yep. Well, it's been a pretty productive day. See y'all tomorrow. Alright.
You're fat, Daddy. Yeah.
Do you like Daddy when he's fat or skinny?
Fat.
Awesome. That's good. I know this is hard for you. This is the hardest part of the day right here. It's going night-night, but you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
I can do it.
Alright.
And I'm not going to try to pee all myself.
Awesome. Alright, close your eyes.
Now let me see that whole video.